Hello folks, this is Steve AB4EL. A few minutes ago I was finishing up my heart health jog on the Faith Rock Trail, and as I was headed toward the car, two engines from the Franklinville station went by and headed down or up Andrew Hunter Road, and we're getting a look at another collision today. Did you see the bashed-in car there? Now, when I say another collision, pardon my frog, I saw another one a couple hours ago down on the Zoo Parkway Road. So I'll stay over to the left and be careful, and we'll see if we can get any. We just want to be careful. I'm headed home. Saw these two engines go out. They're basically blocking traffic from any further collision. There's at least one car that was involved right there. They got a guy sitting on the grass, and it probably, well, yeah, he went into the back of that maroon truck, because the bumper on that maroon truck is fully pushed in. And judging on the fact there were two guys standing by it, they're okay. It's the driver of the guy that rear-ended them. We don't know anything about how it happened, and I hope everybody's okay. And thank you to the people who come out to help us when we get into trouble. Steve AB4EL just on his way home, saying see you at 73.